Hi, I'm Martyn Wills. Currently down here in the southwest of England on a small holding of 180 acres. We got the ISEKI about 7 months ago, and turns out to be a really good tractor for around our yard. The ISEKI's taken quite a lot of the loader jobs. It's one of the main reasons that we got it. So it's got a high output on the loader. It will lift about 1400 kilos, so that's quite good for us. We bought this tractor and it's turned out to be quite capable of more than we expected, really. We've got a team of 2 full-time workers and a part-time gardener. We mainly just horses here, really. Do a lot of polo playing in the summer times. We have a lot of grassland, so the tractors are expected to maintain the grassland through aerating, dragging, rolling, fertilising. In the ISEKI falls straight into that. You've got a nice set of drags we can put on the back in an aeration machine. You've got 2 drivers that drive it and they're absolutely over the moon about it. Yeah, so basically the story about how we got to learn about ISEKI, my dealer Jamie went and asked me to pick up a small ISEKI tractor from a neighbour. I said, yeah, I'll go and do it for you. But I drove it on back and I thought, God, this is actually a really nice tractor. And at the particular time, we were actually in the market of looking at a smaller tractor, because we had another small tractor before this, which won't even pull your hat off, you know. Upon bringing the ISEKI home, I got in touch with Jamie and I said, I quite like this tractor. I said, but we need a loader on it, a pickup hitch, obviously a radio inside, you know. And he turned around and said to me, he said, I can get back to you with specifications of the tractors. He said, basically, you can build your own tractor. And yeah, here we are. And we're not looking back, we're definitely looking forward. I think there'll be a lot more of these around in the future, especially on dairy farms, because being from a dairy farm background, I definitely would have liked one of these when I was scraping the yards. It would have been nice to have been out of the rain, just have a cab, but you know, I definitely think that these would be about more in the future. I'd highly recommend looking into ISEKI for anybody, because once we've got this tractor, we haven't looked back. And that's absolutely brilliant for us, you know. So yeah, I would highly recommend ISEKI in this particular tractor and all the other models.